Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing up there? Hmm? Rocky? Come here. Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. You give me a kiss. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, Rocky boy. Uh-oh. Rocky, can you say, want to take a shower? Want to take a shower? A shower? A shower? Come here. Say, hi, Charlie. Hi, Charlie. That's it. Hi, Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Say, what you doing? Rocky, what you doing? Wow. What you doing? Uh-oh. What are you doing? You give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. You give me a kiss. Mwah. I'm gonna get you. Here I come to get you. Here I come to get you all over your face. Yes, I am. Give me your foot. Give me your foot. Give me your foot. That's a good boy. Give me your foot. No, give me your foot. I'll get your head. I will get your head. Ooh. Give me your foot. No, you give me your foot. You know this. Give me your foot. You're being bad. Give me your foot. Eee. What are you doing? Give me. Step up. Yeah. Step up. Come on. Oh, you're bad. You're a bad bird. You're a bad bird. You're a bad bird. Oh. You're a bad bird. You're so silly, you are. You think you're crazy, don't you? You crazy bird. Hmm? Uh-oh. I'm gonna get you. Are you laughing? You think that's funny? Here, give me your foot. Give me your foot! Ugh, you're so stubborn. Give me your foot. Give me your foot. No, don't do that. No. You are so silly. Are you a good boy? You a good boy? Yeah? You're so pretty. Oh, you're such a nice boy. And I love him so much. Here, go there. Go on the computer. Okay, for God's sake. There. Okay, say something. Your choice. Your choice. What? What? What are you talking about? You surfing the pewter? Yeah? Yeah. I know. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.